Essay on Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was a great hero of the Indian freedom struggle. He was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. He was taught by tutors at home. He completed his schooling from Harrow in England. He graduated from Trinity College, Cambridge. He studied law at the Inns of School of Law in London. His father, Pandit Motilal Nehru, was a very famous and successful barrister. Swarup Rani was the mother of Jawaharlal Nehru. After completing his education, he came back to India and became an advocate in Allahabad High Court. He was interested in Indian politics. He could not keep himself away from Indian freedom struggle. He participated in many movements. He also went to jail several times. He was very close to Gandhiji. Pandit Nehru became the first Prime Minister of independent India. He proved to be a very able leader. There were lots of problems in newborn India. Pandit Nehru handled all of them very effectively. He acted sensibly during the partition of India. Under his government, various issues like the freedom of religion, adult franchise, equality of all before law, etc., were introduced. All big industries were nationalized. Pandit Nehru worked for the development of agriculture. He initiated many big projects. He led to the development of IIT, IIM, and AIMS. At that time, the world was divided into two groups, but he formulated the non-alignment policy. He led the principles of Panchsheel. Pandit Nehru took the responsibility of India when it was newly born. He laid foundations in all the important projects. He died on 27th May 1964. His death was a huge loss for the country. We can never forget his contribution towards the country progress. Thanks for watching.